What's up everyone and welcome to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to start your print-on-demand business on your Shopify store using Printify as the print-on-demand provider. Now of course you need to have a Shopify store in order to sell the products on it and have a print-on-demand service provider such as Printify, which I'll use in this video, which will print your design on your products on demand. So when you get an order, like for a product that you are listing on your Shopify store, once you get an order, Printify will automatically print the design itself on the product, package it and send it to the customers, so that you don't have to have like a full inventory of the products, like a number of items for this product. You can go ahead and like print on demand once you get an order. So that is pretty time saving and also cost saving. Now let's get right to it. First of all, you need to create an account on Printify. Printify is like a print on demand service that has many products, many blank products that you can print your demand on, from clothing to mugs to boards to like towels to home like accessories and many more. You can go to the catalog and browse all the categories and the product types like bags, socks, underwear, hats, and so on. Now let's go, for example, to face masks here to view their collection of face masks. And once you hover over any photo, you'll see the area that your your design on will turn to green, okay, or like a dotted color with like these dots. So let's say here you like a certain product. Now once you select it, let's say I like this face mask that covers the neck area. Now you can click on it, you can view the product description and product data, and here you can view the providers in the US. Okay, let's go ahead to the catalog. Let's choose tank top. Okay, let's say I like this tank top, I want to create it. And also here you can get the product description, you can get the providers, and what I recommend is to go to the highest ranked provider right here, and it says this provider provides these colors for the tank top. Now you can go ahead and go check the provider info or start designing your product right away. Now here you can view the pricing for this product and the shipping from US, production time, and also the sizes available. And once you decide that you want to sell this product, you can go ahead and then start designing. So I click here on start designing, and now let's explore by myself. Got it. Now it gets you like a diagram or like this design of the product with the area marked that your design will go on. Now you can upload an image, you can add an AI image, you can add text, you can get from your library, you can add graphics or templates, or you can get paid content. So for now, I'll upload my design from my device. Okay, let's upload this random, okay, let's go with this design. Okay, now it's adding to the library. If I'm designing like a t-shirt or a tank top for the gym, this is a design that I did on Canva for like another project. Okay, let's center it, looking good as it is. You can also select the color variant to see how your design will look on. So the dark gray, the athletic heather, the black, the red, the leaf, and so on. So here I'll select these variants. Now let's go back. You can here go to the back side as well. You can add another design on the back side. Now let's, for this one, let's add like text. Okay, try select the font. Now let's double click to highlight the text, and now let's say gym life, for example. Let's say I'm selling a tank top for a gym. Okay, now you can, after you type it, you can drag it and you get these helpful like rulers here to center your text. Okay, looking good as it is. You can also rotate it a bit, make it a bigger as well, center it again, and here choose the, like, highlight it again, and choose the text or the font size here. So the layers, sorry. And here you can choose the font, the size and the color. Let's make it like an orange color, so it's more vibrant. Okay, and now I'll go ahead and click on a save product, or you can click on preview here to preview how your product will look like. So it's loading the images here. So in a second, I'll see how my product will look like as an actual product. Okay, looking good. Now let's save it. And now the product is now saved. And these are the color variants that I selected. Okay, and in the product description, let's say gem tank top unisex. And now let's add a size table in metric. And here are the sizes. So I'll select all the sizes. And now what I can do is it'll here calculate like the retail price, a retail price with a profit, since this product is sells for like with shipping for like $19. I get a profit of like $12.91, and the profit margin is 40%. The product cost, as I showed you in the provider info, is like $19.37, and the shipping is $4.75 with standard shipping. I can also like go ahead and view some details for each of the color, or you know, like the sizing here, the X small for each of the variants. I can change the price for each individual color or for each individual size. However, let's say, for example, the 2XL will be a bit higher. So it's by default, it's a bit pricier. Now let's say I want to make the X large the same price, so $35.98. Okay, it's $35.97 as the XL. Okay, I can also change, as I told you, the price for like each individual variant. Let's say the red is more expensive at $36.97, and it'll update like the profit and the profit margin and all the other data. Now that I am happy with this design, I'll need to connect a Shopify store in order to sell my product there. Now here, click on connect a store. Okay, these are some stores that I connected in the past. Now I'll need to connect a new store. So add a new store right here, Shopify. Now I'll need to enter the Shopify URL. To get it, just go to your Shopify store, go to settings here, and go ahead and paste or copy the store URL and paste it here. So I'll just copy it and then paste it right here. Now it needs to add the Shopify URL itself, not the custom domain name that I connected to. So here, let's go to domains. And now this is the default Shopify URL. Now let's copy it and then paste it right here and click on connect. And it'll redirect me to the Shopify store where I'll install the Printify app. So click on install. Now I'll need to log in to Printify from within Shopify. It'll open this window where I can enter my sign-in details. So I'm going to sign in here and then get back to you. And here I've just closed the pop-up, the Shopify pop-up, and then went back to Printify and made sure my store is now connected here and chosen in here. And now go to my products. Okay, seems for some reason I cannot find my product right here that I created. So let's go ahead and select new store. And here is the product. Now, all I need to do is to connect it here or publish it to my store here. And once I do so, my product will be shown on my Shopify store and I can sell it, and Printify will print it on demand and sell it to the customer, or send it, sorry, to the customers. So that is pretty much it. That's how easy it is to set up a print on demand shop on your Shopify store with Printify.